Hello there, YouTube. TechSavagepro here, back at it again with another Roku TV secret menu. So it's been quite a while since I did a Roku video in general and just a video overall. It's been like a month since I uploaded real actual content, just because I haven't really had time, because school started back and all that stuff. But I am uploading now, so that's good. And I want to show you a secret menu that I found, and hopefully you enjoy. But also, I want to go ahead and give appreciation to, the fans out there. Also, if we can smash that like button, not just, tap it. I want to smash the like button. I want 500 likes on this video. 500. I know, small goals, right? But while I'm at it, huge shout out to you guys, I said in a video a while back, I wanted to reach 2.5K by the end of 2019. And we're super close. I don't necessarily think that we're actually going to complete that goal. But at the same time, you've helped me grow not only over 1,000, but over 2,000 almost by the end of 2019. That would be less than 11 months. That is crazy. That is insane. So, huge shout out there. But go ahead and getting into the video. But before I do that, once again, thank you for helping me get to 1,000 and also helping me get to 2,000, because we will get there probably by the time that I actually hit this video or upload this video. But yeah, go ahead, hit the like button, 500 likes, that'd be cool. But into the video. So, as you know, if you are subscribed, I've done a few of these. So you're not going to need anything special. You're just going to need a remote, button, whatever you call it, a controller device for your Roku television. And this does work on the streaming stick, not only the TV, because I know I see a lot of comments that it doesn't work. It does work. If you are confused on something, just comment. I will usually answer, but if I said it in the video, I probably won't respond. So resort to watching the video again before you ask. But into the video, like I said. So this one, pretty simple, unlike the last ones that I've done. But basically, you're just going to need your button or your remote, and you're going to press the home button 5 times. So you're going to do 1, 2, and you can actually, if you go ahead and turn the sound up or whatever, you'll actually hear a sound when you're doing it. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you want to do fast forward 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, back or rewind twice. So whenever I do that all together, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, and then it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. My button's being kind of stupid, but once again, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And so you'll see this thing. As you can see right there, it says secret screen. So some of the stuff I am going to blur because it says your IP address and all that. But this is, it's pretty cool. You can do a few things here. You can do you can cycle the channel store server. So this changes, let's say that you're in the US and you want to get UK based apps or whatever, for example. Now, as you can tell, for whatever reason, mine is actually not currently changing. But you can actually change your software update server. So every time that I hit that, it does like another refresh, you can tell that that one is actually working. So basically what that does is it just changes, like, because there's different software updates. So like if I want to get the normal updates, I would make sure that it said the normal thing. And you can't really tell from this screen. I believe that whenever I did it before, you were able to see, actually down on the bottom, it did say like dev in like parentheses, something like that. But for whatever reason, it's not doing it now. But this, the cycle channel store or whatever, will change the frequency where you get apps. So like the US, things like that, you get it. Obviously, I've actually put in a USB just so that you can see this, but you can actually test your USB socket and all that, and it'll tell you. So yeah, but you can also do the software update server, which is just changes like what kind of updates you get. Like if you want developer updates, you could get those, which is just basically the beta. So if you're interested in doing betas and all that, and you don't want to go through the process of getting approved and all that, which it does take a long time. I used to be part of it. And you can even update your firmware from this. So if I go ahead and I click update software, it'll check. And as you can tell, I can go ahead and update it. So pretty cool, pretty cool. Hopefully you did enjoy this video. And if we could hit 500 likes, that would be super cool. And I'll be making another one of these videos very, very soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoy.